How to turn off My AI on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove Snapchat AI. Now Snapchat has introduced a new feature called My AI, which provides personalized camera recommendation. If you want to turn it off or to remove it, My AI feature on Snapchat, you can follow this. So in order to remove the AI feature, you need to have a Snapchat premium account. So for that, you need to launch your Snapchat account, and after that go to the chats. You can see right on top you have My AI. So if you have a Snapchat Plus account, then you can simply remove it, but if you don't have a Snapchat Plus account, then it's quite a bit difficult in order to remove the My AI on Snapchat. So what you can do is just go to your profile icon from the top left. After that, go to the gear icons. Once you've done that, you'll need to go to Snapchat Plus. After that, you can just get a subscription, so click on subscribe and enter in your card details and all that, and you'll be able to remove the My AI feature on Snapchat. Apart from it, you can also scroll down to the settings and find privacy, so tap on privacy policy. After that, in the privacy section, look for an option related to AI or My AI. You can just go ahead and scroll down a bit, and once you find it, you can just go ahead and look for the information or regarding the My AI feature, and here you might be able to find the articles on how you can actually disable My AI on Snapchat. Just tap on the right hand side corner. After that, you can see this is how it's gonna look like. Now go to Snapchat, and from here you can just find a lot of information. So basically, you need to have a premium account or Snapchat Plus, then you'll be able to remove the Snapchat My AI feature. But without the premium account, it's quite difficult, as already mentioned. So what else you can do is you can also contact the support team and state about the issue, and then you might be able to disable your My AI on Snapchat. So in this way you can disable My AI on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.